Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to calibrate your ESC, whether it is an individual ESC or a 4-in-1 ESC. If you are making a drone or any RC project, you will need to calibrate your ESC. This is a very simple but a very important step when making a drone or any RC projects. So for this project, you will need the ESC and a brushless DC motor connected to the ESC, and make sure you have the signal wires, and you will also need an Arduino. I am using the Arduino Mega, but any Arduino should work for this step. And I am also using a 3S LiPo battery. Use whatever you have. And for this, you will need to connect your Arduino to your PC. So I'm connecting it to my laptop. Then you will need two wires. You will only need two wires. The ESC has three wires for the signal. One is the signal wire itself, the yellow one. The brown one is ground, and the red one is 5-volt output. You will not be using the 5-volt output, so you will only need the ground and the signal wire. So the ground, I will connect it to one ground of the Arduino, and the signal wire I will connect it to a PWM pin in the Arduino. So in my case, I will be using the pin 9. You can use any PWM pin that you want. Then I'm gonna connect it to my LiPo battery. The ESC should be connected to the LiPo battery. Now I don't have a connector, but I will try to connect it properly. Now once you connect your ESC, you should hear the starting sound to confirm that you have connected the ESC properly. Okay, then you can hear this sound. That means we don't have any signal in the motor for now. So let's hop to the code. Now once you open the code, it will be like this. You can see that I am using 2000 microseconds for the maximum signal. This will be for maximum speed, and the minimum signal is 1000 microseconds. This will be the signal that will stop the motor completely. And for the motor pin, I'm using pin 9. You can use whatever pin you want, but make sure it is a PWM pin in the Arduino. Then the rest should be the same. I will just upload the code to the Arduino. I am using an Arduino Mega, and it is connected to port COM8, so I'll just upload it. Once uploaded, I open the serial monitor. You can go to tools and serial monitor. Once open, some messages will be written in the serial monitor. Now you have to make sure that your battery is connected to the ESC, and then you have to press any key at this stage and press enter. Now your ESC has been calibrated to work from 1000 microseconds to 2000 microseconds. So at the moment it is 1000 microseconds, so you can see that the motor is not. So if I now write 1050, that should increase the speed a little. You can see that the speed is low, very low. You can't see it, but you can hear it is very low. Now if I increase it to 1200, you can hear that the speed has increased. And if I increase it in the serial monitor even more, 500, you can hear the sound that the speed has increased, and 2000 should be the maximum speed. Press enter. So this is the maximum speed, and the 1000 should stop the motor. So here it is, guys. So this was a short video on how to calibrate your ESC. Hope you guys have liked this video, and I shall see you in my next video. So thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do so, and I will see you in the next video.